Hello everyone, welcome to Real Mongolia. My name is Bayra, I'm your host. So I'm here at this beautiful place called Khandrat Summer Camp, which is located 40 kilometers north of Ulaanbaatar. The air is fresh, the sun is up. The reason why I'm here today is to attend the Mastiff or Mongolian Bankhar dog owners annual meeting. So in every year, the Bankhar owners or Mongolian Mastiff owners get together in this place and meet each other and talk about their experiences, share information about Bankhar dog. So Bankhar dog is traditionally been used as a livestock guard dog, and it's a source of pride for Mongol families, and it's unique to Mongolia. They are an inseparable part of our culture. So I'm here with my friend Wilgao, who is the owner of the YouTube channel called Will Solo Travels. Hello.
Mater, how are you today?
Good.
Thanks for having me come with you today out to the meeting. I know it's about minus 20 and it's going to warm up, but we're going to have a chance to see these magnificent dogs today.
So, Mr. Will, what do you know about Bankhar or Mongolian Mastiff?
Well, when I did some research before I came to Mongolia, I know the dogs are 15,000 years old in the lineage, that they're a land race type of dog that almost disappeared in the 1930s, and now due to various projects that are being conducted throughout Mongolia through a couple projects on saving the Bankhar dogs, they've got new DNA technology that they're now breeding purebred Bankhar dogs again to put them back into the nomadic families that are going to be for protection and actually increase their flocks and save them from some of the predators like the snow leopard, which is almost endangered, but because of the symbiotic relationship with the Bankhar dogs, the dogs actually keep the snow leopards away, which prevents the nomadic farmers from killing the leopards for threatening their stock. So it's actually a very fascinating story, and these dogs are beautiful.
Right.
I've only been to two nomadic family gairs to visit, and one had looked like a Bankhar dog, but I couldn't get near the dog. I think it was going to be protective, and I wasn't going to take the chance.
Hitnaste. Nignaste. Semeno. Wordt nog hoi. 저거는 뭐 하츠거요. 하츠거 뭐. 나 제일치도 왜. Bankhar dogs are not just livestock guards for a Mongol family. For a Mongolian family, nomadic herders, they are the part of the family. They are a family member, which is why they name their dogs. For example, in Mongolian culture, naming animals is not common, because you don't name your goats, you don't name your sheep, you don't name your horses, you don't even name your camels, but you give a name to your dog, and that kind of shows that how much respect and love Mongolians have for their Bankhar dogs, because Bankhar dogs are the protector of the family and the livestock. When Bankhar dogs die, Mongolians place their body on top of the hill so that their spirit can reach the heaven. And also Mongolians believe that the Bankhar dogs can reincarnate as human, and humans can reincarnate as a Bankhar dog. So, for example, if your Bankhar dog dies and then you receive a newborn baby in your family a few days later, they would believe that your Bankhar dog's spirit has transformed into your new baby. That's why for us, the Mongolians, Bankhar dogs are really important, and they are a part of the family. They're a family member, and we have immense respect and love for our dogs. They are really gentle and loyal dogs. Of course, they are fierce, but only when it's necessary, because they show their aggressive and fierce side only when that kind of action is needed to protect the family and protect the livestock, protect their loved ones. Be fooled by their appearance, because Bankhar dogs are really gentle animals, and there are many stories about Bankhar dogs where they fought off wolves, a pack of wolves, even bear, to protect their owners and their family and their livestock. So they are really brave, and they're not shy of fighting. They can fight, as you can see, but they don't do it necessarily for the sake of fight. They just do it as a necessary to protect their loved ones. Yeah.
За намайг Тэмүүлэн гэдэг багаас амтнд жижигсэн байгаа. За манай нохоо болохоор Арслан зам бугуул гэдэг. Одоо 3 настай 90 нохоо байгаа.
Нохоо яаж ирнэ? Авч исэн бэ?
Энэ найз залуугийн нохоо. Тэгээ одоо тэгтээ баруун миний нохоо л даа гэдэг байхгүй.
Банхар нохоо ер нь тижээхэд ямар хуу зан чанартай, тижээхэд ер нь хэцүү юу? Том бит учраас гайгүй юу?
Надад л их амар санагдсан. Айл тал дээр зан характер хувьч би бусад өс мөс гэл бусад үлдэр нохоонууд өвсөх ундаг. Эхэл Монгол банхрыг болохоор зөвхөн үлрэлдээ л ундаг. Угаасаа нөө хоол хижээлийн сайн өгөө төлөвлөгөөний сайн илгчвэл өс нь угаасаа үлрэлт тутамдаа ингээ айгүй газ солигдоод газ сургаал нэгчдэг. Тэгээ тижээхэд бол их амар санагдсан. Хүмүүс бас нөгөө нэг 90 нохоог илүүд үзээд байдаг. Тэгээд тэгхгүйгээр ингээд им нохоцсон бас айгүй гоё. Бүгдээрээ л ингээд давуу болон сул талтай. Тийм болохоор ингээд нохоо үйлдвэрүүдийг сайн судалж байгаа, нохоод жаахан ямар байдгийг сайн судалж хүмүүсээс асууж байгаа. Тэгээд өөрийнхөө нөхцөл байдалд ингээд амьдралын хэм маяг тааруулаад ингээд нохоо тижээгээрээ гэж уриалмаар байна. Манай үед гэхдээ нөгөө биенийхээ чинь ингээд нилээ хийдэн. Өчтөр жишээлбэл бол 3 гүзээ 1 тоогоо хоол өгсөн байгаа.
Өчтөр үү?
Тэг өчтөр арай.
3 гүзээ. the wrestling match is about to start, and can you tell us why you pulled out at the last minute?
I pulled out because I realized that they're going to wrestle at -20, and you told me they take your legs out first, and I thought, oh, I can't afford to get hurt here. But I wanted to get the wrestling looked at today because I got a good friend, Bart, who used to be a professional wrestler in Canada under the name of Black Bart. So I want him to see some of the videos of how the Mongolian men wrestle at -20, not like those weakling Canadians that wrestle.
So what do you know about Mongolian wrestling?
Only what I've seen on TV, and try to be a little bit more humorous. You know, watching men with very, very tight pants grab each other. No, I'd rather watch something else right now, like the horse racing.
Okay. Yeah.
I just want to say I hope you enjoy Mongolia. It's a very nice battle place, and I hope you bring your dog too.
How about people? How about Mongolian people?
Mongolian people are okay. I mean, like, I don't know, they're okay.
They're friendly, right?
Yeah, they are friendly.
Okay, thank you.
No problem.
So it's been a really fun day, and now we are about to head back to the city. The air is really clean here, and it's really nice to get out of the city and breathe fresh air once in a while. Also, it's also a really exciting day because it's really nice to see that the people are now valuing their traditional culture and traditional dog. So thank you for being with us, and I'll see you next time. Real Mongolia.
Зансан цонхон гэрэл туслаа бодод байсан бүтэн тэндээ үлдлээ. Гор гитарын